Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, a power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Alongside, this one does come with a premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, an LED logo when you open the door, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Stepping on the inside, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've got paddle shifters for extra performance. Also, this one does come with the convenience package, which is going to give you a garage door opener and auto dimming mirrors. Starting it up, we've got a rear view backup camera, XM radio, our hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, our cup holders. This GLA has very low mileage. It's got 3,258 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA, check out feldmanimports.com.